Hello, welcome to my channel Management e-learning. Here you will get all topics of management, especially it's very beneficial for BBA and MBA students. Myself Shivanjali Singh. Today I am going to give lecture on topic of marketing management. Topic is what is marketing and basic characteristic of marketing. Marketing is about identifying, meeting human and social needs. One of the shortest definition of marketing is meeting needs profitably. This definition is given by Philip Kotler, who is widely regarded as a father of modern marketing management. In short, is a process by which companies provide solution in form of product and service to customer problem, need, want, demand for which customer pay back in form of financially and relationship is built. This whole process is called marketing. Another definition is given by American Marketing Association. The marketing is the activity, set of institution, process for creating, communicating, delivering, exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. So marketing is the activity, set of activities, series of activities and set of institution. The set of institution that means the various tool, various process, various department involved here. Department like the marketing research, creating department, advertising department, legal department, sale department, after sale department. So various department involved here and the process for creating, communicating. For communicating refers to the promotional mix, delivering refer to distribution channel, and exchanging offerings that have value for the customers. Value for customers, that solution for the problem of customer, client, partner, and society at large. The partner here refer to the supplier, retailer, wholesale. So these all are the partners. Marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. This is definition is given by Kotler. Characteristic of marketing management. The first one is the customer orientation. All business activities should be directed to create and satisfy the customer. Here the customer is king. Corporate activities are focused upon providing the customer satisfaction. Second one is the marketing research, is the process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting data about your target market, consumer, competitor and industry as whole. For collecting we use the various tools, collecting of data, for we using various tools, then we analyze, then analyze the data and find the problem of the customer. Third one is the market planning. The market planning is the process, is systematic approach for developing marketing goals, strategy and implementation tactics. Here in marketing planning, the management make the goals, the strategy and process for implementation. Integrated marketing. Integrated marketing is an approach to creating a unified and seamless experience for the customer to interact with the brand and enterprise. Unified, that means in uniform or group of people who working for the same goal, and seamless, continuous. So it is a process for creating uniform continuous experience for consumer to interact with the brand and enterprise. It attempts to meld all, combined all aspects of marketing communication, uh, that is the promotional tools like advertising, sale promotion, public relation, direct marketing, social media through their respective mix of tactics, methods, channels, media, activities, so that all work together as a unified force. It is a process designed to ensure that all messaging and communication strategy are consistent across all channels and are centered on the customer. So this is the various communication tools which use for marketing, integrated marketing. Fifth one is the customer satisfaction, where aim should be maximize the profit over the long run through satisfying the customer wants. Thank you for watching.